Routing guitar bodies. Part 2. Start by applying strips of masking tape to the back of your guitar body. Flip the body over and mark where the end of each piece of tape is onto your work surface. Then, lay down more masking tape, lining it up with your marks. To the strips on the body, apply super glue. Then, to the tape on your work surface, spray it with accelerator. Lay the body on top and press down. It should instantly adhere to the surface. Take a neck pocket routing template, apply tape to that, and cut out the pocket with a X-Acto. Put tape on the top surface of the guitar body. Double check the alignment. Then apply super glue to your router template and spray the body with accelerator. Adhere the template to the guitar body. Take your router and check the depth of the bit against the depth of the holes you drilled in the neck pocket. Double check your depth. Set the height of your cutter and route away the excess material. Double check the depth of your cut. Reset the depth of your cutter and cut again. We're sneaking up on the depth that we want so we don't overshoot it. Here we've reached exactly 0.62500 inches. and we will remove the template and the masking tape. We'll repeat the same steps for the neck pickup and the bridge pickup, applying masking tape to the body of the guitar. Cut away any tape so you can still see your center line. Apply tape to your template. And repeat the same process as before using super glue and masking tape. This adheres your templates to the body with the same strength of super glue, but allows you to release them as easily as peeling up masking tape. Check your depth with the router. And begin routing out your hole. Remove your template. Clean up any excess masking tape or super glue. And we will repeat the same process for the bridge pickup. At this stage, we're finished routing the top of the guitar body, and we'll get to the back in part 3.